Everyone have an ambition to DIY computer or circuit board to let them run better or to repair broken electronics and belongings by self. Such as DIY game computer hardware to play games more smoothly, exchanging an iPhone broken screen or clean the TV mainboard. In this video, Top New Tech brings 5 best screwdriver toolkit in 2021. These 5 are the best toolkits, includes all screwdriver bits and essential tools we daily need. The 5th product is IZINONMAX Toolkit. This precision computer repair kit has 16 types and 100 bits screwdriver such as Phillips PH2 Torx 5-star straight pose driver, Y Torx triangle, hexagon and square bits. From the laboratory data, it contains all screwdrivers for iPhone 12 to 4, Samsung Galaxy cell phones, laptop, iPad, Nintendo Switch and PS3, PS4, Xbox One Series game Switch. And this repair kit also contains the screwdrivers for eyeglass, jewelers, drone, PC and other electronics. A rubber anti-static and 932 degrees Fahrenheit heat insulation repair mat is a necessary tool for circuit board and iPhone repair. This magnetic mat has clear functional zone, such as a magnetic zone, screw placement zone, parts store box, screwdriver zone and phone location area. You will not afraid screw lost. The repair screwdrivers kit has a rubber handle, 3mm phone repair tape, mini sucker, bendable flexible extension shaft, and an adapter for an electric screwdriver. All of them will help in the DIY procedure. For further information, visit to the product link. The 4th product is Oriya Toolkit. With durable portable nylon bag, this professional portable hardware toolkit with perfect weight and compact design for easy carry. The tools in the bag made of durable nylon will be carried home and out for various uses easily. These are the multi-magnetic screwdriver set. The 86-in-1 precision screwdriver set have more tools, which includes utility knife, anti-static tweezers, anti-static wrist strap, SIM card ejector pin and LCD suction cup, triangle plectrum, plastic spudgers, metal spudgers, SIM card shells, magnetizing and demagnetizing tool, etc. These durable screwdriver bits are made of CRV steel whose hardness can reach to HRC 52 to 56. You can use it for a long time. The non-slip driver in the market is machined from a single piece of aluminum and cover with a silica gel, it also with a ball bearing mounted swivel top. This updated advanced screwdriver set includes new bits. These bits are added for the sake of meeting the needs of all phones. The unique driver is skid-proof as well as anti-static, which makes it be held more easily and safer for a long time. For further information, visit to the product link. The 3rd product is LIFEGOO Toolkit. This precision screwdriver toolkit set 121-in-1 can be used for electronics such as iPhone, watch, glasses, laptop, jewelers and home appliances such as TV and air conditioners, etc. LIFEGOO specially added some bits for repairing game consoles and accessories like T6, T8, T10 hollow plumb, etc. In addition, they added 18 kinds of screws and accessories for repairing glasses. This magnetic screwdriver set interchangeable precise manual tool set including magnetic handle extension shaft, short post aluminum alloy extension shaft, toolbox, tweezers, iPhone pin, suction cup, brackets, crowbar, 98 PC screw bits, magnetizer and demagnetizer, cleaning cloth, magnetic pad, 4-in-1 screwdriver, 18 kinds of screws and accessories for repairing glasses. It is also equipped with anti-static tweezers and non-slip silicone handles for all occasions. The magnetic pad is equipped, which is used for collecting small screws and avoid the screws missing. The repair toolkit head made of chrome vanadium has a hardness of 55 to 60 HRC. The screwdriver head is magnetic with a good guarantee of quality and operability. This mini screwdriver set is equipped with a plastic storage box that is shockproof. For further information, visit to the product link. The second last product is SYNTUS Toolkit. This SYNTUS 63-in-1 screwdriver toolkit set includes a variety of bit sizes and types to help you complete a number of projects. It contains an ultra-thin pick triangle plectrum for slicing adhesive and separating screens and cases. It is perfect for technicians and do-it-yourselfers. The package contains 56 different bits that is designed with high quality which made from chrome vanadium steel, sturdy and full-featured to meet all your need. It can be used for the majority of devices including laptops, smartphones, game consoles and other electronics. The flexible shaft included in the set is perfect for devices with hard-to-reach shafts. The non-slip handle is made from a single piece of aluminum and covered with silica gel. The ball-bearing mounted swivel top makes this tool easy to work with. The multi-magnetic driver makes it easy to fix items and pull screws out. Add a triangle plectrum, an opening bar and a plastic spudger, 3 openers for complete the tool set and better meet your demands. A flexible shaft included is perfect for electronics where the shaft is hard to get. The non-slip handle featuring a magnetic socket, rubber grips and a ball-bearing swivel top. The flexible shaft is perfect for electronics where the shaft is hard to reach. For further information, visit to the product link, and the first product is IFIXIT Toolkit. This new Protect Toolkit is the one thing every DIYer, fixer, hacker, hobbyist and professional needs to tackle any job. All tools designed and manufactured by IFIXIT using the highest quality materials and methods. Every tool in the Protect Toolkit has been re-engineered to be better. From the 64-bit driver toolkit to the IFIXIT opening picks, every tool is specially designed and selected to maximize your repair capabilities. At the core of this kit is the IFIXIT 64-bit driver toolkit. It designed with extensive research into what fastener types are currently used in the consumer electronics industry and which legacy fasteners are still in demand by consumers. From the Apple Watch with its new tiny tri-point screws to vintage Nintendo game consoles with game-bit fasteners, this 64-bit toolkit covers them all with the highest quality CNC machined bits. Even the sturdy case was carefully engineered, having no hinges or latches to break and features a sorting tray inside the magnetically attached lid. The super smooth swivel cap keeps you turning and turning and turning. A magnetic bit holder transmits magnetism through the screwdriver bit and helping you handle all those tiny screws. The tough aluminum handle with ergonomic and knurled grip makes sure you can turn any screw. For further information, visit to the product link. These 5 are the best toolkits in 2021. You can choose any one you like for your need. For any information about all these products, visit to the links that we including in the description box. Thanks for watching and that's all for now. We hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, goodbye.